This video will show you how to change the door hinge on the Tork Xpressnap signature stand dispenser. The standard setup is a right side opening. Depending on your environment, you may need to have the door open from the left. To do this, open the dispenser door and remove the 2 pins from the door hinges. Remove the door by sliding straight out. Lay the door down on a flat surface with the door release latch on the left side and the door hinges on the right. Next, take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the door release latch from the left side and the 2 door hinges from the right side. Reattach the door release latch on the right side of the dispenser lid and reattach the door hinges on the left side. Next, pop the door release hatch out of the left side of the dispenser and snap it into the opening on the right side. Line up the door and insert the pins. The door will now open from the left side. For more information on the Tork Xpressnap signature napkin dispensing system, please contact your local SCA sales representative or go to www.torkusa.com.